Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Clouds are beautiful. So I pretty much got no sleep last night, and everything that might ever hurt on my body seemed to be hurting. Had some mental stresses, a fair number of them, and fairly severe, and physical pains. So not much sleep. Got up early, had classes. Then did some yard work, and it's probably approaching 90. I don't know. It's not terribly humid, but it was hard to do the work. And I just spent 2 hours on the tractor, which always bumps me around and aggravates my imperfect back. Anyway, I just finished as far as I'm going to be able to go today, before my evening classes start. So I thought it's time for today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's Tàijíquán Tip is to get to your practice when you really, really don't want to, when you really think perhaps you can't. I don't mean actually can't, and I don't really mean kind of don't want to, not super into it, not enthusiastic, but really sort of actively don't want to. It's probably approaching how I'm feeling now. And perhaps where you're thinking I can't, or I don't have to, um, nobody's going to be surprised if I don't. Like my back's really bad, all kinds of things hurt, didn't sleep, I just worked, it's fairly warm. I really just want like a shower and a sandwich. But that's the tip when you find yourself in such a situation, and you might do some practice. Remember, Tai Chi Chuan is largely about not using the easy to access muscles of the body, but the fascia, not using the physical strengths of the body, but activating the strengths of the whole being. So even if your body feels pretty well ready to give out, you should be able to access some Tai Chi there. Maybe some Tai Chi Chuan. Maybe it'll feel a little bit different than usual. So enjoy that. Thank you.
Here are my links. Thank you. Your support is very needed.